Sandra, and it is my pleasure to introduce to you today Stardust Tours Jamaica. We offer airport pickups, private massage on the beach, private dinners, private chauffeurs. You can follow us on Instagram at Stardust_Jamaica 876tours. You can also follow us at Stardust876 Travel on our YouTube page. Our contact number is 868-0524. Always remember to make Stardust Tours your #1 travel destination, tours in Jamaica. Thank you. From Stardust Tours Jamaica, we want to wish all our clients a happy Christmas and a happy New Year when it comes. We're looking forward to doing business with you in 2024. Until then, stay safe. Peace out. So hi guys, it's me, your girl Lexy. Remember to run over to my YouTube page at Stardust876 Travel to share, like, and subscribe. So guys, today I come with something totally different. Cause you know, all the vlog them always I eat. But last week Sunday I went to this bonfire in Kingston, which is very nice. This location is very sexy, very intimate. So I went to the bonfire. I had a perfect time to walk the beach, to ground myself barefoot. But you know what I say in the video, you go see little knicks-knacks. But before I go, I have to tell you something, people. Girl did have to do a pedicure in my living room because I did sleep the night before and like I draw the sheet and I hear like the sheet a scrape and something. You don't know, say a girl foot bottom. Yeah, it do feel like a rub over. So I did do myself a nice pedicure because you know, say, I show her the nice things them. You know, say girl buy her little spa. So I have a mobile spa, guys, so you can run over and you can book me at Hollywood Beach Spa JA, where you can get a nice pedicure, a nice robe, a nice champagne, a nice massage on the deck, on the beach. Where? So Africa is that way, Negril is that way, China is that way, Japan is that way. What is Hollywood is? I like this. You see why I tell you that I don't like to share my space? Like my favorite chill spot with people, Miami is that way. Okay. The moon. I like that. I like that part. Mexico City is that way. You see? It's so nice. Do you see why I like this place? And I'm gonna get some swing over there. But then the bonfire. Guys, normally they like salsa dancing. So like on the weekends, the swings are nice. I'm gonna go over there shortly. But Toronto is that way. But the bonfire is nice. Ready? Let's go. Some so dancing. Let's go. Happy. Peace is everything, right? Peace of mind is everything. I refuse to share my favorite spot with anybody. Oh my god. The rushing of the waves. My dress. So gorgeous. Tell me all about it. But the waves on the other side is heavier though. Like it's a shirt. Let me glance and see what it looks like in the night. However, sometimes the other lights are on, but it's not on tonight. But it's very nice, very quiet, and as you can still hear the rushing of the waves. I had some style there just now. the city is not coming. Oh my god. Wow, like, it's at the fire glow. It's at the fire glow, darling. Not gonna lie, so it's actually, I've always been here because I used to live right here on this beach. But it's my first time experiencing the bonfire night, guys, and I'm really loving it. Like, blaze, job, yeah. So we're outside tonight and it's December 1st. And I hope that everybody's having an amazing time. All I'm January, the 1st of January, I'm planning to sit on that day when the clock strikes 12 with my champagne glass, having fun. Yes, that's what I'm going to be. Remember the song used to make you
Go in Jamaica need airport pickup car rental or island excursions. Contact us at Instagram at StardustJamaica.
Like Jamaica, people all over one was breadfruit and banana. Under the trees.